Today's the day of the Tiffany Air Force One release. And thank goodness it's here. It can pass. We can just move on from this shoe. It's kind of like the red boots, quite honestly. There's not a whole lot of difference for me. There's a lot of hype behind them. The intended consumer is not necessarily those of us who buy sneakers all the time. Like, we're just in this. We've been in this since we were younger. That wasn't the intended target audience. I'll just be honest with you. And my opinion on that hasn't changed, whether it's Gucci and Adidas, whether it's Dior, whether it's Louis Vuitton, Tiffany. I don't care. If you're likely to see this brand, this high-end fashion luxury brand on Rodeo Drive, California, more than California, with the average income that walks into that establishment well over $500,000 for one singular person, not a household, one singular person. That's the target audience. It's not the people that are into sneakers. It's just not. It's somebody that already identifies with the luxury lifestyle. For whatever reason it may be, they're already identifying with that. The way you shop at Kroger or Meijer or Costco for your groceries, okay? They shop at these stores for the most basic things, right? You may throw a pack of pens into the cart when you're in Target because you need more pens. We need writing utensils. Okay, they're also likely to just go to Tiffany and pay the higher dollar amount for the Tiffany pen because it's a Tiffany pen. And for them, yeah, that means something. I'm not saying it's wrong inherently that it means something for them, but that is their choice. And they can certainly do that with that level of income, because what people also fail to realize in terms of the high dollar price of $400, or what we may think of as a high dollar price for $400, that $400 for that one singular item, that shoe, which they're not going to wear a whole lot, to be honest with you, or at least I'm going to gather they're not going to wear it a whole lot. That $400 to them, the percentage of their monthly income in comparison to possibly your monthly income, vastly different, okay? It's no different than them running to pick up Chick-fil-A. It's not. It's not. It's like that small drop in the bucket versus for yourself. Like, just be mindful right now. There are some people that went for this shoe, and there is a really good chance this $400 shoe plus taxes that it was 10% of their take-home pay a month for this one pair. Hopefully you're gonna wear this shoe, or maybe you were just using it as a come up, which I would imagine most people are really using this as a come up. We will see though. Your timeline will tell the story of the overwhelming intention with people going for this pair, whether it was on sneakers or through Atmos or anywhere. Because if you see this pair more so in hand, right? Everybody holding this pair in hand versus them actually showing it to you on foot, that should tell you. Some people will wait to wear the shoe, but for many, wasn't purchased to wear. It was purchased just to resell. That's all it was purchased for. But I think what's always lost is this isn't, to me, it's not meant for the traditional target audience of the all-white Air Force One low. It's not. It's just not. They're smart in how they intended to draw in that audience. They want to hit a multitude of consumers, whether it's those that are into sneakers nonstop 24/7, tracking everything, the drops, the release calendars, you have notifications turned on, you're following Soul Links and Sneaker Twitter and J23 app. Like, know that they don't, the people they were going after, they're not doing all of that for a shoe. Okay, they're just not. They'll just ask one of their friends that really into sneakers, like, hey, I want to be able to get this. Can you help me? And for them, like, likely money wasn't really an object of being able to get it. They just wanted to have access to it. But I'm very happy that we're past this because I'm over it. Been over it. I really have. Like, this is no offense to the person who referenced the new Essentials colorway Sycamore. They're like, ooh, the lighter Tiffany blue, I like it. I was like, please don't. Please don't. I just want to move away from Tiffany blue for a moment right now. I just do. But listen, if you went for this because you really wanted to have this pair and wear it and enjoy it and rock it, cool. If you wanted this because it's limited and exclusive and you really feel like, oh my goodness, not too many people are going to have it, I would just caution you to maybe look within of why something being exclusive gives you this sense of security and confidence, because that's maybe something to unpack. I will say, if the price starts to drop on this in the resale market, it could be due to the fact that too many don't want to be seen with it on, if too many just regular casual people have it on foot. It's just my thoughts. Quick vid. Didn't even expect to make this today, but I appreciate you tuning in. If you did, we're in the month of March. Madness is surely upon us already. You guys can see, or maybe you can't, but I am actually rocking women's South Carolina basketball, their championship tee from last year. I am 100% in full support of Dawn Staley, and I can't wait to see what this squad does. They're just so selfless. The effort, the hustle, the skill from the starting five all the way to that deep bench that they have. I would love to see them go super far again. So you guys know I bleed maize and blue, but I love Dawn to death and really proud of everything these girls are doing. So hopefully you enjoy March as much as I intend to. And with all that being said, act your age, not your shoe size. Peace.